Hello everyone, my name is Zahra Mulya Setiawan. Now I want to share my analytical exposure text. I believe that a simultaneous blackout and can disrupt various daily activities because it makes both the house and the surrounding environment completely dark. In such a situation, I can only rely on candle as a source of light. But this type of illumination is very limit and cannot properly support my activities. First, inside the house, I experience difficulties because the candle I use does not provide enough light. It burns out quickly, forcing me to replace it often. This makes every activity uncomfortable. Second, the situation becomes even more challenging when I step outside. The entire neighborhood is extremely dark due to the simultaneous power outage, making it hard for me to walk and see where I am going safely. This condition limits my movement and forces me to be extra cautious. In, ad- in addition, when I go to the bathroom, the candle I bring suddenly burns out and goes off. I'm forced to rely on the very fine light coming from outside the bedroom, making every movement difficult and troublesome. This shows how ineffective it is to depend solely on candle. A simultaneous blackout clearly disrupts my activities and safety. Depending only on candle is not effective. So, better emergency lighting is needed during power outage. Thank you for listening to me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.